Hey everyone, this is Marcel Hanson with Shift Your Game, coming to you with 60 seconds to revolutionize your business. Let's get it done. Today's topic is on rapid growth. Rapid growth. It's about taking action, implementing fast, and assessing the results from your action, tweaking those, and going for more action until you get the result you want. Do this as fast as you possibly can. The key to this speed of implementation and fast failure, as some people call it, taking action, failing, taking action, failing. You're tweaking this action to fine-tune the result you want. You have to take it on a massive scale in order for it to work. Okay? If there's any questions or comments about this, you can either post below or send an email to me. That'll be in the notes down below as well. Otherwise, subscribe to my channel, and each and every day I'll send you out a tip to revolutionize your business.